Hi there, Serial Trader here. Let's check in with weed. All right. So as you can see, it still appears that we're breaking out of this triangle. Early stages, of course, because we haven't actually taken out that D wave extreme. But this BD trend line, we're getting above that quite nicely. And well, let me just switch to a candlestick chart for this. Zoom in a bit. So you can see we're actually nicely above the T line, which is a good sign. And today we came down, being quite an intraday volatile kind of day, and just nicked that T line, but certainly rejected it, and still a reasonable close. Although again, large upper shadow, large lower shadow, kind of a doji day. Although I'll mention that the real body of this candle still engulfed yesterday's real body, which was also a doji star. So basically two dojis in a row. Now, at one point during the day, I thought this would just look like a nice, strong, bullish engulfing, but it really pulled back. So definitely some correlation there with the broader market weakness we saw intraday. But nonetheless, big picture, nothing appears to be out of whack. It still looks quite promising that we have a important pivot down here, labeled as wave E. We're breaking out of this trend line, okay, the BD trend line. And we're above the T line. And volume, again, so yesterday was a slightly down day. Volume dropped off. And now today, despite being volatile, was still actually an up day, and volume was increasing. So relative volume still looks good. Of course, I'd like to see it increase more as we really get going. And I really want to see that D wave extreme get taken out, 31.46. But still looking good here. If the broader market can make up its mind and do something decisive, and in this case for weed's direction, hopefully to the upside, I think this can really get going and start fulfilling some of the more lofty targets, but one step at a time. Anyway, I just thought I'd give you an update on weed. Still looking good. No red flags. Alright, Serial Trader signing off.